remember this at all. Me neither. Anyway, hello everyone, welcome to 12 Inches. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through part 2 of working on this. Honestly, part 1, I have no idea what I was doing. Like, this is awful. So we are going to be really flipping this. For some reason, I didn't explain like anything, so I didn't want to use a lot of paper, so I actually decided to spray paint it in this color called Gloss Pewter Gray. As you know, I spray painted the inner parts, and then I actually went ahead and spray painted the outside the same gray color because I'm going to be doing a stone. And here are my stones, and as you can see, I have 3 colors. There is a 4th, but I ran out of it because it's the same as this. And then I'm going to be gluing them on, and the reason it's already spray painted, besides it's not complete because I ran the spray paint, is because this is going to be like the grout, and then these are going to be the stones. I am going to cut these up. These are a little too big, and glue them on, so I'm just waiting for things to dry. So here is what they look like glued on. I also started gluing in some window panes, and I'm framing that with just some cardboard wrapped in paper. I've only done one side just because I wasn't sure how I felt about it. This is me just deciding that I'm gonna do the whole thing. Again, me not explaining. This is the paper that I decided to use for the floor. And in regards to the floor, I made this, actually, I changed it to be 2 layers of cardboard thick. One is really not enough. I don't really know what I was thinking. So yeah, I got another layer of cardboard, and then I covered the floor in that. Going back in time a little bit, I never officially showed this, but I actually put these strings, I don't want to show you the finished product, put these strings across because the cardboard was bowing, and then I actually added more supports on the side like this one. I made them a lot larger, especially in the back, because that's where a lot of the issues were. I'm waiting for more stones that I made to dry. I lack window panes. I need more clear plastic from packaging that doesn't exist yet. So I'm actually going to start. I have both floors there sinking a little bit because I haven't added any of the supports. Here's my phone. Listening to a great audiobook. Love audiobooks. Anyway, so I'm going to start putting the cars inside. Okay, so some quick updates. Right now I'm just working, okay, so out of focus, on making those little baseboards. The ceiling, I just know, because I did try and set this up before, it can't really support all of the weight. Ooh, the couch and the trash can in the back, oh well. So, I do know I need supports. So these are some I made quickly out of newspaper, but I do not think, this is definitely not the final product, whatever. So now, as you can see, the ceiling droops a little bit, so that's something I'm going to be fixing with some toothpicks. So these pillars are pretty much necessary because if I take them out, you can see just like it sinks a little bit. So these are necessary. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover these in another layer of newspaper just so that this part gets flattened down, and then I'm going to spray them to match the wall. Because I want you guys to see behind the scenes. When I took everything out, I put it in this Whole Foods bag, and everything that happened, good job me. Bed. So double good job. So this room, or this floor, basically has no furniture. I have almost no ideas what I want to do in here, and this is a 3-part series. So in the 3rd part, I'm going to officially make all the furniture. This time I'm just going to move in what I already have. So this floor is kind of just, all I really have is the bed, and I also don't have the big white pillows, so gotta work on that. But I do actually have quite a bit of things for the top floor, so we're just gonna do that. My favorite part of literally this entire process is just decorating. So this is just like furniture I had already and know I want to put in here. So here is the room so far. So basically that is kind of the bedroom area. I'm planning on making that cup into a light. I want to put a desk right here so we have some random stuff for the desk. This is the bathroom, as you can probably tell. This is kind of like, I imagine this to be the entrance, and then I put a tiny little mirror. There are some holes here because there's some hooks that I did steal for another project because this wasn't being used, so that will be reinstalled. Oh, I also want to put a hook there so I can hang the robe. This is going to be the kitchen area, and I'm hoping to have a small kind of come out island part, so this can also be a bit of a breakfast bar. This is just to be hung. So we have already my sinks made for some reason. So anyway, this is where part 2 ends. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Part 1 will be on screen. Definitely stay tuned for part 3. I cannot wait to finish this space. I think it already looks so much better. I am actually, like, especially this room, I love this room, or this house with the purple and the gray. I think it looks so cute, especially this little corner. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye.